Hey, alright guys, so I started the recorder a little bit early. You would type setting up first before you start your recorder, then start your recorder, hit live, and then copy the list. I already opened up the Screencast-O-Matic. This is where the start recorder is. And then, I thought I was logged in, sorry. This is the random.org. You want the multi-round giveaway? I have the $15 a month one. And it gives you 100. Okay, and then you can just put you have to put a description there, and then roll the dice. We have a dice roll of 5 or more, so 3 doesn't work. So just roll them again. 7 works. So just hit OK. You see the 7 there. Paste the list, and then begin the giveaway. There's 1 round left. Final round. So then that's the winner. Here's the verification code. You click on that. It'll open up a new page. Copy the link. So you copy the link, paste it, then hit done. Then you can stop your recorder.